Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate cumulative sum in SQL. So we have two columns in this. First one is order ID and second one is total amount. So we want to calculate the cumulative sum of cells for each order ID. So we have use first sum total amount, this one, and we use over clause order by total amount. We give alias is cumulative sum. Okay, so our query is ready. Okay, so in this the cumulative order is ascending order, so we use descending here. So here is the cumulative sum for each order ID. Thank you for watching.